Welcome back. Today I will solve remaining question number 19. Integral of e की पावर 2x minus 1 upon e की पावर 2x plus 1 dx. You can solve this question with the help of by substitution method. So now divide e की पावर x numerator and denominator. Divide e की पावर x numerator and denominator. सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड में e की पावर 2x प्लस 1 लेट करने पर यह आपका डेरिवेटिव नहीं होगा, इसलिए इसको e की पावर x से नोमिनेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर में e की पावर x से डिवाइड कर दिया जाए. वी गेट यानी इसका नया रूप e की पावर 2x अपॉन e की पावर x माइनस 1 अपॉन e की पावर x. आल्सो डिवाइड e की पावर 2x अपॉन e की पावर x प्लस 1 अपॉन e की पावर x dx. So also one power cancel out. So e की पावर x माइनस e की पावर माइनस x अपॉन also one power cancel out. So e की पावर x प्लस e की पावर माइनस x dx. अब जो है अगर इसको हम लेट करके डेरिवेटिव निकालेंगे तो ये आपका ऊपर का फंक्शन जो है आ जाएगा. तो अगेन लेट e की पावर x प्लस t e की पावर x माइनस e की पावर x इज इक्वल टू t. डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. सो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ e की पावर x एंड प्लस डेरिवेटिव ऑफ e की पावर माइनस x इज इक्वल टू e की पावर माइनस x. आल्सो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ माइनस x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू dt अपॉन dx. एंड आल्सो e की पावर x माइनस प्लस माइनस e की पावर माइनस x dx is equal to dt. Now this value put here, so we get 1 upon t and e की पावर x minus e की पावर x dx is equal to dt. So this is integral of 1 upon t dt. So log mod of t plus c. So also we can write log, so t e की पावर x प्लस e की पावर माइनस x प्लस c. This is answer of given question. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. इंटीग्रल ऑफ e की पावर 2x माइनस e की पावर माइनस 2x अपॉन e की पावर 2 प्लस e की पावर माइनस 2x dx. नाउ डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस फंक्शन गेट दिस. सो नाउ लेट e की पावर 2x प्लस e की पावर माइनस 2x इज इक्वल टू t. यानी e की पावर 2x प्लस e की पावर माइनस 2x का अगर हम डेरिवेटिव करते हैं तो हमें ये नोमिनेटर का फंक्शन मिल जाता है, इसलिए हम इसको t मान लेते हैं और डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x। सो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ e की पावर 2x is equal to e की पावर 2x। also derivative of power 2x 2 into x 1 and plus derivative of e की पावर minus 2x, so minus e की पावर 2x and also derivative of minus 2 की पावर x, so 2 minus 2 into 1 and also dt upon dx। So now 2 common out taking, so e की पावर 2x and plus minus minus e की पावर minus 2x and also dx is equal to dt। also we can write e की पावर 2x minus e की पावर minus 2x, dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt। so this value and this now put here, so now also we can write 1 upon e की पावर 2x plus e की पावर minus 2x and e की पावर 2x minus e की पावर 2x dx। so integration 1 upon this जो now t, so 1 upon t and e की पावर 2x minus e की पावर 2x dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt। so now 1 by 2 common out taking, so integral of 1 upon t dt, so also 1 upon t or 1 upon 2 log mod of t and also plus c, so 1 upon 2 and log mod of change t in variable x e की पावर 2x plus e की पावर minus 2x plus c, this is answer। इंटीग्रल क्वेश्चन नंबर 20, इंटीग्रल ऑफ e की पावर 2x माइनस e की पावर माइनस 2x अपॉन e की पावर 2x प्लस e की पावर माइनस 2x। सो e की पावर 2x प्लस e की पावर माइनस 2x, नाउ पुट t and find out derivative, we get this derivative answer। so now let e की पावर put e की पावर 2x प्लस e की पावर माइनस 2x is equal to t। so differentiate with respect to x, so derivative of 2x e की पावर 2x is equal to e की पावर 2x and derivative of 2x is equal to 2 into 1 plus also derivative of e की पावर 2x e की पावर minus 2x and also derivative of minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into x1 is equal to t। so now 2 e की पावर 2x minus plus minus minus 2 e की पावर minus 2x is equal to dt upon dx, so dt upon dx and also e की पावर 2x minus e की पावर 2x dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt and 2 common out, so divide this। so now put this value 1 upon e की पावर 2x plus e की पावर minus 2x is equal to t. So t and e की पावर 2x minus e की पावर 2x, so dx is equal to dt. So now log t plus c, so log t value, so e की पावर 2x plus e की पावर minus 2x plus c. This is answer of given question number 20. Question number 21, integral of tan square in bracket 2x minus 3 dx. Also we can write there is no integration of tan square. So now change transfer into another situation. So tan square x. So we know that 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square. So sec square is equal to tan square x minus 1. So now change this sec square in bracket 2x minus 3 plus minus 1 dx. So this is in place of this. So now integral of sec square in bracket 2x minus 3 dx and integral of 1 dx. So now put 2x minus 3 is equal to t. So differentiate with respect to x. So to common out derivative of x 1 and derivative of constant 0 and dt upon dx. Now 2 dx is equal to dt. So dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. Now change this. So sec square, this put t, so t dt 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 dx replace 1 by 2 dt minus 1 dx. And also sec square t, integration of sec square t tan t and 1 by 2 common out. So minus 1 dx x plus c. So now change into variable in x. So 1 upon 2 tan 2x minus 3 minus x plus c. This is answer. Integral of sec square in bracket 7 minus 4x dx. So now change in this. So let 7 minus 4x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of 7 0 and 4 common out derivative of x 1 is equal to dt upon dx. Minus 4 dx is equal to dt. So dx is equal to 1 by minus 4 dt. So now sec square replace t dx is equal to minus 1 by 4 dt. So minus 1 by 4 common out, integral of sec square t dt. So minus 1 by 4 sec square t, integration of sec square t tan t plus c and minus 1 by 4 tan and t replace in variable 7 minus 4x and plus constant c. This is answer. Question number 22. Integral of sine inverse x upon root 1 minus x square dx. So now we can write sine inverse x into 1 upon root 1 minus x square dx. Derivative of sine inverse x, this is 1 upon root 1 minus x square. So now let put sine inverse x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. So 1 of derivative of sine inverse x 1 minus x and dt upon dx. So 1 upon root 1 minus x square dx is equal to dt. So now put sine inverse x is equal to t and also 1 upon root 1 minus x square dx, so dt. So this is power 1 taking. So integral of 1, so since integral of x power n is equal to x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. So now put t की power 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 plus c. So t square upon 2 plus c and also t replace sine inverse x square upon 2 plus c. This is answer. Question number 24. Integral of 2 cos x minus 3 sin x upon 6 cos x plus 4 sin x is it dx. So taking in this function common out 2, 1 upon 2 written 2 cos x minus 3 sin x upon 2 common out, so 3 cos x plus 2 sin x dx. Now let this, so derivative of this, so get this. So now let 3 cos x plus 2 sin x is equal to t. Derivative differentiate with respect to x. So 3 derivative of cos x minus sin x and plus 2 derivative of sin x, so cos x is equal to dt upon dx. So minus 3 sin x plus 2 cos x is equal to dt upon dx. Also change 2 cos x minus 3 sin x replace, so dx is equal to dt. So now put this, so 1 upon 2 integral of 1 upon this 1 upon, so this let t and also 2 cos x minus 3 sin x dx is equal to dt. So 1 upon 2 log t mod of plus c. So 1 upon t log and also cos replace t. So 3 cos x plus 2 sin x plus c. This is answer. Question number 25. Integral of 1 upon cos square x in bracket 1 minus tan x का whole square is equal ये dx. So now change another form. So 1 upon cos square sec square x upon 1 tan x whole square dx. So derivative of tan x is equal to sec square x. So now let this. So put 1 minus tan x is equal to t. So now differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of 1 0. So tan derivative of tan x sec square x. So dt upon dx. Also minus sec square x dx is equal to dt. So sec square x dx is equal to minus dt. So now change this. So 1 upon 1 minus tan is tan x whole square. So now put t. So 1 upon t sec square x dx minus dt. So minus common out. So integration. So square and t की power minus 2 dt also can be right. So integral of t की power minus 2 we can write t की power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 plus c also can be right. So this minus t की power minus 1 upon minus 1 plus c. So also plus and 1 upon t plus c. So 1 upon t means 1 minus tan x plus c. This is answer of given question. Question number 26. Integral of cos root x upon root x dx. So now change into another form. So cos root x into 1 upon root x dx also can be right. So now let root x is equal to t. Let root x is equal to t or x power 1 by 2 t. Differentiate with respect to x. Now derivative of x power 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 x power 1 by 2 minus 1 is equal to dt upon dx. So 1 by 2 x power minus 1 by 2 dx is equal to dt. So x power minus 1 by 2 dx is equal to 2 dt or 1 upon root x dx is equal to 2 dt. So now put cos root x, so t, and also 1 upon root x dx 2 dt. So 2 common out, integral of cos t dt. So 2 integral of cos t sin t plus c. So 2 change into variable in x. So sin root x plus c. This is answer. Integral of root sin 2x cos 2x dx. अगर sin 2x का डेरिवेटिव निकाला जाएगा तो cos 2x मिल जाएगा, इसलिए sin 2x को t मान लेते हैं. sin 2x is equal to t. Put. So differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of sin cos 2x and derivative of 2x to common out x1, so is equal to dt upon dx. So now 2 cos 2x dx is equal to dt, or cos 2x dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. So now since root cos 2 sin 2x t, so t, and cos 2x dx 1 by 2 dt. So 1 by 2 common out, integration of t की power 1 by 2 also write here, so dt, and change integration, so t की power 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So 1 by 2 and t की power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. So 2 cancel out. So 1 by 3 tan t power 3 by 2 plus c, and also plus c, and also change into variable in x. So 1 by 3 sin 2x power 3 by 2 plus c. This is answer. Integral of cos x upon root 1 plus sin x dx. Now put 1 plus sin x is equal to t. Now differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of 1, so 0, plus derivative of sin x cos x and dt upon dx. Also can be write cos x dx is equal to dt. So now this put here value, so cos x dx, so dt, and 1 upon root 1 plus sin x t and cos x dx dt. Also change in t की power 1 upon t की power 1 by 2 dt. Also t की power minus 1 by 2 dt. So integral of this change, so t की power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 1, and also plus c constant plus sorry. So integral of t की power minus 1 by 2 dt, and change with the help of integral x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 upon x plus 1. So this change t की power 1 by 2 and also 1 by 2 plus c, and also 2 t की power 1 by 2 plus c. So now change 2 and t, so 1 plus sin x root and plus c. This is answer of given question. Question number 29. Integral of cot x log sin x dx. So now let log sin x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of log 1 upon this sin x into derivative of sin x cos x is equal to dt upon dx. Derivative of log sin x 1 upon sin x into derivative of this cos x is equal to dt upon dx. So cos upon sin cot x dx, so dt. Now change, so log sin x and cot x dx. So integral of log sin x is equal to t and cot x dx is equal to dt. So now this is power taking 1. So by formula integral by t की power 1, so t की power 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 plus constant c. So t की power 2 upon 2 plus c is equal to t की, so replace t in x variable, so log sin x and whole square upon 2 plus c. This is answer. Question number 30, integral of sin x upon 1 plus cos x dx. So derivative of cos x sin x. So now let 1 plus cos x is equal to t. Let, so differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of 1 0 plus derivative of cos minus sin x and t dt upon dx. So now sin x dx is equal to minus dt. So now put, and also can write sin x or 1 upon 1 plus cos x into sin x dx. So integral 1 upon 1 plus cos x 1 upon t and sin x dx is equal to minus dt. So minus common out, so integration of 1 upon t dt. So 1 upon t integration, so log t mod of plus c or minus log change in variable x 1 plus cos x plus c. This is answer. Question number 31, integral of sin x upon 1 plus cos x whole square dx. Derivative of cos x sin x. So now let 1 plus cos x t, let 1 plus cos x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of 1 0 plus derivative of cos minus sin x, so dt upon dx, and also minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Also sin x dx is equal to minus dt. So now put here, so they change into another form 1 upon 1 plus cos x whole square and sin x dx. So 1 upon 1 plus cos t square and sin x dx, so dt. So change, so there is no integration, so now change t की power -2 dt. So integration of t की power -2, since by formula integration of x power n is equal to x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So now according to this, t की power -2 plus 1 upon -2 plus 1. So now change minus dt, so this is minus also and minus, so minus also, so taking minus this, so and also plus c. So minus t की power -2 plus 1 minus 1 upon minus 1 and plus c. So now minus minus plus and t की power -1 is equal to 1 upon t plus c. Also change in variable x, so 1 upon t replace 1 plus cos x plus c. This is answer. Question number 32, integral of 1 upon 1 plus cot x dx. There is no direct you can solve 1 plus cot x. So now change in another form. So now we can write integral of 1 upon 1 plus cot x replace cos x upon sin x, so dx. Now taking LCM sin x, so now 1 upon sin x plus cos x upon sin x dx. So now reverse this, so sin x upon sin x plus cos x dx. And also you can change, so multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So we get 1 upon 2 common out, so 2 sin x upon sin x plus cos x dx. Also you can write, so integral of sin x plus sin x upon sin x plus cos x dx. Adding cos x and subtracting cos x, we get, so 1 by 2 integral of sin x plus sin x plus cos x minus cos x upon sin x plus cos x dx. Sin x plus sin x, sin x plus sin x, adding and subtracting cos x in this function. So we get sin x plus sin x plus cos x minus cos x. Arrange this situation, we get 1 upon 2 integral of sin x plus sin x plus cos x and plus sin x minus cos x upon sin x plus cos x dx. So arrange sin x plus cos x and also sin x minus cos x. Now separating by LCM 1 upon 2 integral of sin x plus cos x upon sin x plus cos x and also plus sin x minus cos x upon sin x plus cos x dx. So separating by LCM, so this upon this plus this upon this. So also we can write integral cancel out. So 1 dx. So integration 1 dx and plus integration sin x minus cos x upon sin x plus cos x dx. So 1 by 2 multiply by this 1 by 2 integral of 1 dx plus 1 by 2 integral of sin x minus cos x upon sin x plus cos x dx. Sin x plus cos x, derivative of sin x plus cos x, get sin x minus cos x. So let sin x plus cos x is equal to t. So differentiate with respect to x. We get derivative of sin x cos x plus derivative of cos x minus sin x and also dt upon dx. So cos x minus sin x and dx is equal to dt. So according to this, now we put 1 by 2 integral of 1 dx and 1 by 2 integral of 1 upon sin x cos x. So 1 upon t and sin x cos minus cos x dx, so dt. So 1 upon 2 1 dx, so x integration and plus 1 upon 2 integral of 1 upon t dt log mod of t plus c. So 1 upon 2 x plus 1 upon 2 log and change t in sine function. So sin x plus cos x and plus c. This is answer. Question number 33. Integral of 1 upon 1 minus tan x dx. So now change in another form. So 1 upon 1 minus sin tan x sin x upon cos x, value of tan x sin x upon cos x dx. Now taking LCM, we get 1 upon cos x minus sin x upon cos x dx, and also we can write cos x upon cos x minus sin x dx. this cos x change in this situation in this form. So adding multiply by 2 and divide by 2, we get 1 upon 2 integral of 2 cos x upon cos x minus sin x dx. Also we can write 1 upon 2 integral of cos x plus cos x upon cos x minus sin x dx. And also change 1 upon 2 adding and subtracting sin x in numerator. So 1 upon 2 integral of cos x plus sin x minus sin x upon cos x minus sin x and dx. So cos x plus cos x upon cos x minus sin x, and numerator adding sin x minus sin x plus sin x minus sin x, we get this. So 1 upon 2 integral of, so arrange in this same way. So cos x and minus sin x and plus cos x plus sin x and upon cos x minus sin x dx. So 1 upon 2 cos x minus sin x, separating by LCM cos x minus sin x upon cos x minus sin x plus cos x plus sin x upon cos x plus sin x minus sin x dx. So dx. Also we can write, so this multiply and this and this. So 1 upon 2 in bracket, integration of this cancel out 1 and plus cos x plus sin x upon cos x minus sin x dx. So integration of this. So also 1 upon 2, 1 by 2 multiply by this. So integral of 1 dx plus 1 by 2 integral of integration of cos x sin x upon cos x minus sin x dx. So now write 1 upon 2 integration 1 dx and plus 1 upon 2 integral cos x plus sin x upon cos x minus sin x dx. Now put cos x minus sin x is equal to t. So differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of cos minus sin x and derivative of sin cos x dt upon dx. Minus common out, so sin x plus cos x dx is equal to dt, and also sin x plus cos x dx is equal to minus dt. So now put value, so 1 upon 2 integral 1 dx and 1 by 2 dx and 1 by 2, so 1 upon this, so 1 upon t, and also cos x plus sin x dx is equal to minus dt. So 1 upon 2 integral of 1 dx x and plus 1 by 2, so plus minus, so minus and 1 by 2 1 upon log 1 upon t dt log t plus c, and also 1 upon 2 x minus 1 upon 2 log t, so cos x minus sin x mod of plus c, and also can be write 1 upon 2 x minus 1 upon 2 log minus common out, so mod of absolute value positive, so sin x minus cos x also write plus c. So this is answer. Integral question number 34, integral of root tan x upon sin x cos x dx. Now change in another form. So we can write root tan x upon sin x upon cos x divide and cos x cos square x, and this divide by cos x and multiply by cos, we get sin upon cos and cos square, so dx. So now root tan x upon tan x into cos square x dx. Also we can write integral tan x power 1 by 2 upon tan x power 1, and also 1 upon cos square x dx. So also can be write by power formula, so tan x power 1 by 2 minus 1, so base same, power should be divided, so subtract 1 by 2 minus 1, and 1 upon cos square sec square x dx. Also tan x power minus 1 by 2 sec square x dx. So now put derivative of tan x sec square x. So now let tan x is equal to t. So differentiate with respect to x, we get derivative of tan x, so sec square x dx is equal to dt. So now value put here, so tan x, so let t, so t power minus 1 by 2 and also sec square x dx is equal to dt. So now by formula t की power minus 1 by 2 integration, so t की power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 1 and plus constant c. So now get t की पावर 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2 n plus c. Also can be write 2 t की पावर 1 by 2 plus c and 2 root t plus c 2 and t variable change in x variable, so tan x plus c. This is answer. Question number 35. Integral of 1 plus log x का whole square upon x dx. So let 1 plus log x is equal to t differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of 1 0 plus derivative of log x 1 upon x dx or is equal to dt upon dx. So 1 upon x dx is equal to dt. So now change in another integration 1 plus log x whole square into 1 by x dx. So now put 1 plus log x t, so t square and 1 upon x dx, so dt. So integration t square, so t 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 plus c and also t की power 3 upon 3 plus c and change in variable x, so 1 plus log x power 3 upon 3 plus c. This is answer. Question number 36. Integral of x plus 1 and in bracket x plus log x whole square upon x dx. Now also can be write integral of x plus log x whole square, also x plus 1 upon x dx. So x plus 1 upon x. So also you can change x plus log x whole square and also 1 plus 1 upon x dx. So x upon x separating by LCM, x upon x get 1 and 1 upon x this. So now let x plus log x is equal to t. So differentiate with respect to x. We get derivative of x 1 and derivative of log x 1 upon x is equal to dt upon dx and also we can write 1 plus 1 upon x dx is equal to dt. So now put integration x plus log x, so let t square and 1 plus 1 upon x dx, so dt. So also we can integral of t square, so we can write t power 2 plus 1 2 plus 1 plus c. So is equal to t की power 3 upon 3 plus c. Also we can write t, so bracket x plus log x power 3 upon 3 plus c. This is answer. Integral of x power 3 sin tan inverse x power 4 upon 1 plus 8 x power 8 dx. So we can write also, so integral of sin tan inverse x power 4 into 1 upon or x power 3 1 plus x power 8 dx. So now derivative of this we get this. So now let tan inverse x power 4 is equal to t. So let tan inverse x power 4 is equal to t. So differentiate with respect to x, we get derivative of tan inverse 1 upon 1 plus x square, so x power 4 whole square, and also derivative of x power 4, so 4x power 3 and dt upon dx. Also x power 3 1 plus x power 8, so 4 2 is 8 and dx is equal to 1 by 4 dt. So 4 divide this dt. So now put this value here. So sin tan inverse x power 4 t, so t and x power 3 upon 1 plus x power 8 dx is equal to 1 by 4 dt. So 1 by 4 common out, integration of sin t dt. So 1 upon 4 integral of sin t, so minus cos t and also plus c. So minus 1 upon 4 cos and t replace in variable x, so tan inverse x power 4 and plus c. This is answer. Question number 38. Integral of tan x power 9 plus tan x power 10 की power x log 10 upon x power 10 plus 10 की power x dx. So derivative of this function we get this. So now let x power 10 plus 10 की power x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. So now get derivative of x power 10, so 10 x power 9 and plus derivative of 10 की power x, so 10 की power x into log 10 base e is equal to dt upon dx. And also we can write 10 x power 9 and 10 की power x log 10 base e and dx is equal to dt. So now value put here. So integral of 1 upon x power 10 plus 10 की power x is equal to t. So 1 upon t and 10 x power 9 plus 10 की power x log 10 dx is equal to dt. So now 1 upon integral of 1 upon t dt, so log t and mod of plus c. So log change in variable x, so log in mod of x power 10 plus 10 की power x plus c. So integral of 10 की power 10 x power 9 plus 10 की power x log 10 upon x power 10 plus 10 की power x. So x plus x power 10 plus 10 की power x का डिफरेंशिएशन यह होता है। सो इसलिए x पावर 10 प्लस 10 की पावर x को t मान करके उसका डिफरेंशिएशन करिए तो ये नोमिनेटर आपको मिल जाएगा, इसलिए इसको t मान लीजिए। सो 1/t dt एंड 1/t इंटीग्रेशन log t and plus c. So log and t variable change in x. So put here log mod of x power 10 plus 10x power 10 power x plus c. That's all.